Life. Sometimes things happen unexpectedly, especially at times when you don't expect it. My name is Justin, and this is my story. As a young guy, a student, I wasn't born into a family with a silver spoon. I had to struggle to survive. And then I heard the news that broke me, the news I never expected.